What sets successful people apart from the rest of us? Is it intelligence, skills, or just plain luck? Well, I've got a secret to share with you. There's a book that contains the keys to success, and these secrets have been used by some of the most accomplished individuals in history. That book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And in this video, we're going to unveil the greatest principles from this timeless classic. Welcome to Wealthway, and today we'll be discussing the key principles that have helped countless individuals achieve incredible success in various fields. Success is not just about talent, skill, or luck. It's about your mindset, your way of thinking, and your unwavering commitment to your goals. Think and Grow Rich is not just a book. It's a philosophy, a way of looking at the world and your place in it. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening insights. Principle 1. Definite purpose. A definite purpose is the compass that guides you towards success. It's not merely setting vague goals, it's about having a clear, specific, and compelling vision of what you want to achieve. When you define your purpose with precision, you gain focus, direction, and unwavering motivation. You make better decisions because you understand your goals and what it takes to reach them. More than that, having a definite purpose is about comprehending the deeper meaning behind your aspirations. Why do you want what you want? What impact will it have on your life and the lives of others? Understanding the purpose behind your goal provides enduring motivation, ensuring you stay committed even when the going gets tough. So whether you're striving for financial freedom, personal fulfillment, or any other objective, start by setting a crystal clear, definite purpose and let it be your guiding light through the journey to success. Principle 2. Burning desire. Burning desire is the fire that separates achievers from dreamers. It's the intense passion and obsession that makes your goal an inescapable part of your daily life. This burning desire propels you forward, especially in the face of adversity. It's not merely a wish or a hope. It's a deeply ingrained belief that you can and will attain your objective. To cultivate a burning desire, you must focus on the benefits of achieving your goal and let them stoke your passion. You must believe in your capabilities, your worthiness, and be willing to take whatever action is necessary, even if it requires stepping out of your comfort zone or taking risks. So start developing your burning desire and let it be the fuel that keeps you motivated, energized, and unyielding when challenges arise. Principle 3. Faith and autosuggestion. Faith in yourself and your abilities is a cornerstone of success. Without it, even the most intense burning desire can falter in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Faith involves having unwavering confidence and conviction in your capacity to achieve your goals, irrespective of how formidable they may seem. A powerful technique to build this faith is autosuggestion. By repeating positive affirmations, you program your subconscious mind with favorable beliefs and attitudes. This trains your mind to focus on positive outcomes and blocks out negative thoughts and self-doubt. For instance, if your goal is to start a business, affirmations like, "I am a successful entrepreneur," or "I attract abundance and success into my life," can boost your faith in your entrepreneurial prowess. Implementing autosuggestion will gradually help build the unwavering belief in yourself and your capability to accomplish your objectives. Principle 4. Specialized knowledge. To stand out and thrive, you must acquire specialized knowledge in your chosen field. This knowledge makes you an expert, setting you apart from the crowd. When you possess specialized knowledge, you offer something valuable and in demand, enabling you to command higher prices for your products or services. Acquiring this knowledge might entail taking courses, reading books, attending seminars, or learning from a mentor. However, remember that knowledge is power only when you put it into action. So once you've gained specialized knowledge, ensure you apply it to move closer to your goals. It's the fusion of this knowledge and action that empowers you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Principle 5. Imagination and visualization. Imagination and visualization are potent tools that allow you to see beyond your current circumstances and limitations. When you engage your imagination, you tap into your inner creativity and envision a future distinct from your present reality. This is a future where your goals are not only achievable, but within your grasp. Visualization takes it a step further, involving creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome. By concentrating on the details of this image, you activate the creative faculties of your mind and train your subconscious to focus on positive outcomes. Visualization can serve as a powerful motivator, inspiring and sustaining you, even when faced with difficulties. So create a vivid mental image of your objectives. Focus on the finer points and let it fuel your determination. Principle 6. Persistence. Persistence is the key to success. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Being persistent means not giving up in the face of adversity. It means learning from your mistakes and failures, using that knowledge to improve and grow. It also requires maintaining a positive mindset, staying focused on your goals, and believing that you can achieve them, regardless of the challenges you encounter. With persistence, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. It's the driving force that separates the doers from the dreamers and ensures that you stay committed to your path, no matter how long or challenging it may be. Principle 7. The mastermind. A mastermind group is a powerful resource that can significantly expedite your journey towards success. By joining or creating a mastermind group, you tap into a collective force of like-minded individuals who are all committed to helping each other succeed. This synergy enables you to access a wealth of information, resources, and support that you might not have on your own. A mastermind group creates a positive and nurturing environment, helping you stay motivated and stay on track, even when faced with the most challenging hurdles. But it doesn't end there. A mastermind group also helps you forge valuable connections and relationships that can benefit you in other aspects of your life. So if you're looking to achieve success, consider becoming a part of a mastermind group. Surround yourself with individuals who share your values and vision, and watch how this collective force propels you toward your goals. Now that you're armed with these secrets of success, it's time to put them into action. Reflect on your goals and start implementing these principles into your life. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and persistence, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Wealthway. We hope you found the tips and tricks shared here valuable for your financial journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with our latest uploads. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep striving for success. And remember, your wealth awaits.